So the first question is, which component is not present in organism causing mucormycosis? So the answer for this question is beta-D-glucan. Beta-D-glucan. Next question is, irradiation of blood before transfusion prevents which complication? So answer for this question is graft versus host reaction. It is transfusion associated graft versus host reaction. So, and next question is, nivolumab approved for? So it is approved for melanoma, non-small cell carcinoma, lung carcinoma, and malignant pleural mesothelioma and RCC, renal cell carcinoma. Then next question is, RNA modifying gene expression is knockdown. Then fracture images are given in match the following option. So this image is given and they were asked about the fracture, and this fracture is, as you see, this is first metacarpal fracture. So this is Bennett fracture. This is the metatarsal fracture. So this is March fracture. And this is the fifth metacarpal fracture. So this is Cox's fracture. Then next question is, retinoblastoma spread through? So retinoblastoma spread through the direct spread in retinoblastoma. So next question is, most common lacrimal gland tumor. So most common lacrimal gland tumor, benign is pleomorphic adenoma, and malignant is adenoid cystic carcinoma. Then next question is, fixative for pap smear. So the most common fixative that is used for the pap smear is 95% ethanol. Then this diagram is given and they asked about the organism. So this life cycle is of Toxoplasma gondii. Life cycle. Then they ask about not a part of quadruple test. Answer for this is inhibin B. Inhibin B is not the part of the quadruple test. Then they ask about the steps of acid fast stain. So first step is carbol fusion, then acid alcohol, and then finally malachite green. And they ask about the diarrhea with rice water stool and ask for the defect. So the defect is in tight junction. And interception is side effect of which vaccine? So the answer for this question is rotavirus vaccine has side effect of intussusception. Patient presented with history of cholelithiasis with raised GGT, ALP with acute fever. Then what is the next step? So the next step for this question is ERCP. So next question is intermittent suturing angle of needle placement is 90 degree. Then they asked about this needle, and this needle is Varis needle. Varis needle used in the laparoscopy. Then they give the schwannoma histopath image. And next question is aplastic crisis in hereditary spherocytosis aggravated by the parvovirus infection. Then next question is there is some adult patient with sudden death during the exercise or during some strenuous exercise. So the answer for this question is hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. How come? Hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. And one question they asked about this green needle. So the cannula size for this green needle is, so the mnemonic is our grade gram positive bacilli orange, gray, green, pink, blue 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So the green is 18. Thank you.